All right, I chose question number one, understand the scientific method and the hypotheses associated with it. So, the scientific method is a method that uses inferential statistics, and it uses those inferential statistics in order to obtain knowledge. Um, this method requires that we have both the development of a hypothesis and the inferential statistics of what specific scientific hypothesis versus the other competing scientific hypothesis. And in order to know what the hypothesis of that scientific method is, we have to know what even a hypothesis is. So that is a statement that has a presumed relation between at least two or more variables in a set population. Within that hypothesis, we must know that a population is the entire group of people that need to be questioned or observed in order to prove it right. Um, the And then a measure within that population or that interest in the population would be considered the parameter. So typically a population is quite large, so we'll take a portion of that population, and that portion of the population is then considered a sample. And then the sample, which is a portion of the population, that is now considered a statistic. So it's no longer a parameter, it's a statistic. And then by using these techniques, we're able to make inferences, but we cannot speak in absolutes and make an absolute statement when taking or when talking about a sample. And that's just because it's not the entire population, so it's just a portion. And then there's three different hypotheses: research, null, and alternative.